Good morning to all. Om. Today, with a very small video, I will try my best to tell everyone how to register your class on Bharat Swabhiman Trust app or Patanjali Yoga app, and also how you can report your daily sessions on this app, so that as a yoga teacher, when you take classes, you have 20-25 students and we want to enroll them to yoga. You want to connect them with Patanjali Yoga, so that in future when they go for any yoga teacher's course or any other things, they can be linked direct to this with the reference that I have a yoga class registered with Patanjali where I was linked or I was connected or I was with Patanjali Parivar since that date, say 2 years, 3 years or 5 years. So this will not only give an opportunity to that student to get linked to Patanjali and also to become yoga teacher in future, and also this will give you a record and recognition that your class is a registered class, and also people can follow you. If you try to upload your videos on YouTube, they can follow link to this app and see that your class is running well or your class is regular. That gives an opportunity and positivity for your class, so that people will come and join to your class. So I'll try my best with a very small video to take you to my mobile, where with a smartphone, how I'm doing it, how you people are going to do it, so that your class gets recognized. So before that, if you want to register your classes, so as you all have come up in your life attending schools, so I have maintained a record of my students through a file which clearly indicates individual details of each of my students with their photographs, their age, gender and everything. For entire class, around 40 to 45 students I have, for whom I have maintained this record, and these are the personal form I have created. And also in the left side of the file you can see where you will have all the details of the students, like their name, their gender, their address, their date of birth and their telephone number. With all these particulars I have a record of my students. You can also create this. This will help you at least from 5 years or 10 years from now. You'll be able to say that this many students have gone through my classes and these are their official record. These from this date to that date, these people have attended class in my session. So let's go to my app, my mobile phone, where I'll be able to tell you how to do this. You need a smartphone, nothing else. So we'll quickly go to our smartphone and so go to Play Store and download the app called BST app. Just type BST, you will find that app. So once you get that app, so get it installed in your mobile. And from here on, I'll take you to my screen, mobile screen, for how you can enroll your class and then how you can report it. And at the same time, when you will be able to post it on a daily basis to all your your friends and relatives, or on the BST group or any other WhatsApp group. So let's go to my mobile app. So welcome to my mobile screen. This is how the BST work look like. So press it here. This is the thing which it will come. The light green button in the right side, just click it on top of it. So now the screen will come like this. But in my case, I have already class. So, but for you, the add class will come here. So I'll add class and add new class. I have my name here. You can type your name here. Sangathan name Patanjali Yoga Samiti will come. Then the address, you just click on this button so that the address will come through the Google. And next, you want to create the date of the class. You may have taken the class since 3 years or 4 years, but since you are applying or entering to this app, so you can start it, the date. So let's start is today's date, 23rd. Okay. The city, in this my case, it is Visakhapatnam. So आप सभी अपने सिटी के नाम दे दीजिए. Now start and end time. This matters. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी क्लास 5 बजे स्टार्ट हुई तो 5 बजे दीजिए, 5:30 बजे होती है 5:30 दीजिए, 6:30 बजे होती है 6:30 बजे दीजिए. सो एंटर योर डेट, यूज दिस क्लॉक टू ऐड द timing of your class. In my case, the class starts at 5:30. So my class starts 5:30. Okay. Now my class ends at 7 o'clock. So I'll take it to 7 o'clock. Just turn it. Seven. Okay. So enter your timing. Now you keep adding sadhak. In this case, you just add sadhak. So in case I will write Rama Reddy. Anything you can add your students' names. Rama Reddy. Mobile number, I will place the number. Fine. Then let's put in mail and then add sadhakas. Similarly, you do another sadhak. So keep adding sadhaks. In this case, I have added 2 sadhaks. Fine. Now you have to go to add Sikshak. So you add Sikshak, you add your name. If your name is not there, you add your name. Since there are so many people are there in this, their names are coming, but you add your name. Then go back and you add your class. When you complete all this, then you add your class. Please add your Sikshak. So here is I have already added my name as Sikshak. So you add your name in Sikshak and then add your classes. This is how the class will get registered. So how does it look like? It will come like this. It will look like this. Your class details, class, you will get a serial number, your teacher's name, and all this timing of class, everything is available here, and your photograph will come here. So you have added sadhaka, the sadhak's name also will come in this form. You can roll on and see all your sadhaks are entered here. So your class is entered. So this is how you can generate your class, or you can add your class to Patanjali Yoga Samiti app. So this is stage 1. Now the stage 2 comes as reporting. So here I will open the class. You have to come back to here, and the green button you added the classes. Now to the light pink button you have to add my attendance. So here you see the view details of it. So my class for the day has already been done. So in your case, you have to keep adding your attendance in this add sadhakas and then submit. How will do it? You have to add it like, for example, when you add sadhakas, the sadhakas name will come from top to bottom with their alphabetical order. So in there will be 3 boxes. So you write, there will be a delete button, there will be an add button, I think, and the other one will be your attendance button. So click on the right hand, the attendance button, so that the moment you click, there will be tick mark. So you add all your sadhakas, those who have attended that particular day, and then you submit it. Once you submit, then it will ask for photograph to be uploaded. So as a regular practice, you must take the photographs in the morning, covering all your participants. Now then add that photograph and then submit it. That is how you will be able to submit at a regular basis your attendance to Patanjali Yoga Fit. This is stage 2. Now coming to stage 3, for sharing this with your students or sharing to your friends or sharing with your all our Andhra Pradesh WhatsApp group. For that, you have to go to view details that particular day like this, and then you can scroll it like this. When you are scrolling it like this, you can add an app in your mobile to screen record this practice. When you do this, this must be screen recorded. This will not come automatically. So screen record this, and then you will be able to share this to your friend. So friends, this was what I want to just tell you. Just enroll your class, record it, keep reporting it. So this will help you or your students in future to get connected, get attached to Patanjali Yoga Pit. This was what the dream of Pujya Swamiji Baba Ramdev ji. So let us join hands, let us use this app and take this forward and make Pujya Swamiji Ramji Babaji's dream come true. Om.